I have a Hunter ceiling fan with lights. The light blew out. I replaced the bulbs, but the lights do not work, but the fan does. What can I do to fix this problem?
Good morning. My name is XXXXX I will try and help. Some questions for you so that I can better understand your situation. Do you have separate wall switches for the lights and fan? Let me know so that I can continue. Steve.
One switch on the wall, for the lights and fan. 2 separate chains on the unit, one for the fan, one for the lights.
Okay, do you have a meter? Let me know so that we can continue. Steve.
No meter.
Okay. The pull switch in the fan that turns on the light would be the first thing to check. I'm not sure that we can do much more than a visual without a meter though. Can you do that for me and we can continue? Steve.
Pull switch appears to be working.
Okay, I need you to remove that lower part of the fan housing, the part that houses the switch, because we need to look at the wiring inside it. Is that something you can do? Make sure both switches are off. Steve.
I can do that, just give me a minute.
Okay, I'll be here. Look for any burnt or damaged wiring. Steve.
I opened all the wiring and everything looks to be in order.
Okay. Is there any way you can get hold of a meter of some kind? We are not going to be able to check for voltages without one. Steve.
I would have to go buy one, but I might just call an electrician in my area, so that I don't mess anything up. Thanks for trying.
You are welcome. I wish I could have helped. You probably just have a loose wire or failed light switch in the fan. I'll be here if you need further info. Steve.
I went to Lowe's and they gave me a new wiring harness from fan housing down, and that did not remedy the problem.
Then you need to remove the fan from the ceiling and check the wiring going into the fan housing. It may be as simple as the wire for the light circuit has become disconnected. Do you need help doing that? Let me know so that we can continue. Steve.
Thank you for your help. I finally got it working.
You are most welcome. That is good news. What was it? Also, please do not forget to rate the service you received today. It is of utmost importance to me. Thanks, Steve.
It was the wiring that came loose inside the fan housing. I just restripped the wires and reconnected everything, and it worked. It must have come loose with the vibration of the fan.
Fantastic. Well, let me know if I can help you further, and please do not forget to rate the service. That is the only way I am compensated for my time and knowledge. Regards, Steve.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.